Well, hello there. We are today trying something quite a lot newer. Well, I say new, the route's been out for a long time, but I've not done the route, so it's new to me. Well, I've done it, not on record. We have a plus 314 on a empty stock service from Glasgow to Newton. Let's get started. So to start this off, I'm going to unisolate them. Oh my god, it's been ages. Right, that's unisolate the AWS. Crikey. It's been a long time since I've drove this. Right, let's get moving, I guess. Master key. Beep. Yes. Lovely stuff. Instrument lights, they're always lovely. I don't know why the brakes are released. Headlights to head/mouth lights. Yeah, there we go. Lovely. Anything else that need to do? I don't think so now. Grind forwards, brakes off, and off we go. First time as well. Nice one. Can't even do that with a 395. This is supposed to take around 17 minutes. Oh, they do sound nice, these, don't they? So it's what, 50 miles per hour out of here, isn't it? Just coast gently out of the station. Would you look at that? Is there any AI trains? No. Oh, that's a shame. It would look like to get some pictures of some nice AI trains with this. Collectible. Ah! Bloody signal. Look at that! Oh, this station's amazing. Gantries aren't amazing. This station's beautiful though. Look at that! My god! So many screenshots. So many. I love this map. Or route, I should say now. It's not a map, is it? It's a route. Like when I'm playing Obsy, it's a map, not a route. Destination Boulevard. I don't know, is that a Destiny's Tramway? I think it's automatic, so it's just blank because this is an empty stop service. We've got a bell. Ding ding ding. Closed doors. Yeah, festival one. Oh. Lighting. Auxiliaries. Let's not trip the auxiliaries. Lighting trip. Gas key. Buttons make a nice noise. So I'm pretty sure this is quite similar to the 313 on the East Coast way, isn't it? Oh, don't speed, don't speed, don't speed. We'll get the speed down a little. Oh, there we go. Lovely stuff. This route is beautiful. Whew. I can't wait till we can fly down the line up to Newton. Let's have a look at the map. It's not a bad map at all. It's not linear. You've got quite a few options. You can go around, you can go to, oh, what's this station called now? Oh no! So we're going to, so that will be Neilston, I think? So yeah, this is a Cathcart Circle, and then you got two branches, that's Newton, that's Neilston, up here. And you got Glasgow Central down here. It's a lovely map. It really is. I'll get a bit of speed on there. Come on, train. Good old unit these as well. Might be old, but they're bloody good. Oh no, we're not going to be stopped. We're stuck behind the stopping train, are we? Ah, we are. I don't know where it's going, but we're stuck behind it. So we're turning left again, I'm pretty sure. And get that speed down a little bit. Oh, hang on. I'd love to see a carmine cream livery. I need to look at the livery editor on this, because I bet there's some beautiful liveries for this route of this train. It's like the 700. I need to do a video with the Pride and NHS livery, because they are beautiful liveries. Really well done. Especially for the livery editor, which in this game is not the easiest. I've tried before and completely just given up. Right, oh, I thought this one was a red. Right, we'll speed up to 30. I'm not sure how close the signal is, so we might spaz and die and everything go wrong, but we can hope not. Oh, it's 35 down here, but we're on a little downhill. Oh no, I'm on a little uphill. It'll be fine. Oh no, I'm a slightly bigger uphill. It will help us brake at least. That horn is lovely. The tones. The tones. I'm trying to see. Yeah, there's DSD. There's DSD. I thought that was a dead man. Oh, I don't know. I thought this was like a dead man's handle, not a pedal. But obviously I'm wrong. Oh, I don't know. So when I get up now, the brakes are coming on. Right, so it is technically a dead man's handle. So if I turn DSD off, we won't brake. Okay, I get that now. That makes sense. Actually, I'm going to stop here. I know we've got a red around the corner. Map. Collectible. I don't, if you're a train driver, I don't recommend this standard of driving. It's probably not good. But we can have a look around the stations here, can't we? So, they're really nice stations. Which one's this? Oh, Queen's Park. I've been here before. It was a fair few years ago. Oh, it would have been a while ago now. Queen Street is such a beautiful model station in this game though. I was there back in February, so about 4 months ago. Beautiful station, absolutely beautiful. Probably one of my favourite stations is Queen Street. Right, back on the train, we've got a yellow. So yeah, we've had a look around Queen's Park. Oh, there's not very good screenshot opportunities here though. Unless... Ooh! That's not a bad one. Up to 40 miles per hour now. AWS. No, the next signal will be red again. I hope this train isn't going to U-turn. Oh, this is going to take a long time. Yeah, another red at the end of this platform. It's good though, we get to explore another station, so they're not like, yeah, it's not all bad. Oh, that's an emergency. We don't do emergency. Probably do. We have an emergency. There's flower pots there. There's flower pots there. This will be, is this Mount Florida? I want to say. I'm gonna move the train up the platform a bit. Oh, okay. Because I'm lazy. No, that's the wiper. Oh no, this is a disaster. Go train, go! We're moving very slowly down the platform. I don't want to jump out because the brakes won't come on. And the train will drive away, and we cannot have that. Put that on. Alright, I'll put the brakes on here. I don't know why I did this, it feels actually kind of silly now. But that's this channel, silly. We are silly. Silly. Where's any other collectibles? There's a map. there's a bridge. We can't go up there, I don't think. Oh, you can't. Oh, we're so far. All the ones when you could go street level, like when you cross it, not that far. When you can change at street level. I love that. Oh, there we go. We've got the collectibles. Next station. I like how there's no door interlock on that door either. Looks like a little cupboard, isn't it? Imagine how many seats you could fit in there. Like, I don't know if anyone's ever been on a Tideway metro, but you have like this little cupboard as a driving cab, and then you've got seats all up here, and you can sit at the front and everything. It's well cool, I love it. Greens, finally! So I think this is where we diverge off, somewhat. So I'm guessing this one's not Florida anyway. Yeah. Are we following that train? Oh no, he's there. That's Cathcart. $35. We'll accelerate to that. Even though we've got a 25 coming up quite soon, but we'll still accelerate. Beautiful. Oh, speed. Let's not do that. We're responsible here. Map, not got enough time. I feel like I'm ruining all the collectibles for everyone. Far apart. Didn't see the metro papers there. We're 25 coming up. So I'll put the power on. Amazing. No, we're going uphill a bit. Losing a little bit of speed. I wonder if we'll be able to get 75 on this route. I've not actually checked. It's been a long time since I've drove this route. Where's the 25? It'll be further up here on it. So yeah, this is where we come off the main circle now, and we're going on to our own little branch. This is fun. Hopefully we'll be following any trains, which is also really good, because I don't like being stuck behind anything. I like to go fast. I like my speed. I'm still waiting for this 25 when it takes flight. Feels like it's been taking forever. That's better. Oh, trees, you've foiled my plan. Ooh, lovely, thank you. Nice one. Oh, I like the tennis, no, not tennis, football. Goal, that's it, trampoline. Oh, no, like really nice model gardens as well. Well, there's not much in them, but there's still a bit of attention to detail there. Fair play on them. You know, look at that. Got a few sheds, bushes. What's that? Looks like another house. That's not a shed. It's a barn. Hello? Anyone home? Oh. I'll leave you to it. Right, what's the speed limit? 50. There we go. Bit of speed now. Bit of speed. Lovely stuff. We'll be passing another train soon if that map was correct. Oh yeah, hello. Oh, you're there. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Oh, bless him. We're speeding. It wouldn't be a me video without speeding. It wouldn't. I still like the speed. Map. Flower pot. Unfortunately, you can't get these in a free-roam camera. It'd be so much more convenient. But I guess again, metros. It just makes you want to explore the stations more, which is lovely. I love the stations around here. I'm gonna go to the back somewhere. Beautiful. I do like a good old pep. Wasn't it? I think it was the 508s that used to do Southeast or Connex back in the day. Could it be? 508s. What else did they do? They were BR as well, weren't they? Oh, they ran with the. Oh, was it even before? I think it might have been before the 455s. Trying to think now. I remember seeing a video of one crashed over the buffers at the station, and I just remember thinking, that'll be me. Come on, we need power now, we're on quite a steep hill. But yeah, 508s did run down south as well. They're all at Merseyrail now, they'll be withdrawn soon. That's a shame. I think they'll be the last peps, won't they? If I'm correct in saying that. No, that is a shame. I'll have to go and visit them sometime, won't I? I've not been on one for a few years now. 2021, yeah, I think it must have been 2021. Feels like quite a long time ago now. I remember when lockdown was a thing, my god. That was, yeah. That doesn't feel that far away, or long ago. It really doesn't. Right, we're coming up on Newton now. Well, we got a station before that, but yeah. We'll be there soon. I think it's taken us a little bit longer than it should have, but yeah, well, we've had a nice jolly around, haven't we? That's what it's all about. Having a good time. Because we love trains. We do. Okay. Whew. Come on, quick. Beautiful. Map. Oh, hello. Just got walloped by a wall. Oh, I do love screenshots a lot. We're going downhill, we're slightly speeding. We should probably take the speed off, shouldn't we? That would be a responsible thing to do. There we go. Out of the tunnel. Oh, I was going to get a picture of it coming out. Oh well. I never prepared for them sort of shots. There we go. We need to slow down for a 40 miles per hour limit now. We're not far away from the station at all, we'll be able to see it in a second. Yes, AWS. Yeah, to you too. We got a red after this station, so we definitely need to make sure to stop here. That will be a very lovely idea indeed. Now I'm trying to think, are we going to go over them points? Yes we are. And the limit 50 across them? No chance. I thought that's slow down then, but obviously not. Now the filter comes in place from that sign which was across the tracks. Brilliant. And here we go, Newton, our first and final stop for today. It has been a lovely ride, a lovely quick ride. I do love Glasgow. Hey, let's stop. Oh, we've gone well over that marker. Well, there had to be something, didn't there? At least it wasn't the signal. There we go. Alright, well, I think that's it for today then. Thank you for joining. Oh, hello. Here comes the stats. A lot of speed. I got a gold though. There you go. Anyway, that is everything from me today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.